And you're indeed smelling good today and looking stunning and gorgeous, Alia Bhatt. Thank you so much, Ali, for being here. Pleasure. And now I'd like to request on stage Mr. Satyaki Ghosh, Director, L'Oreal India Consumer Products Division, to please join us. We now open the floor for the media Q&As. I request each and every representative, before you address the question, please identify yourself and the publication that you belong to. And ek dil se main darkhwast karna chahunga, a humble request that please revolve the questions around the topic about the brand and the association of Alia Bhatt with Garnier. The floor is now open.
I would like to ask you, you had earlier endorsed Garnier skincare and now hair care. So how has been the entire experience with Garnier?
It's been a great experience. As I mentioned before, it's very nice when you and the brand have the same ideologies and you believe in the same things when it comes to marketing a product or, you know, trying to sell it to the consumers. So whatever, like the advertisement that we did, it was very young, it was very fresh. See, all of us are human. You can't look perfect all the time. So there are going to be bad hair days, but nobody likes bad hair days. So here's your solution to bad hair days, you know. And it's also not about it's not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. And when you want to feel good in terms of, you know, your body and your health, you also should take care of your hair because your hair also needs that utmost attention and nutrition that you give your body. So I had a great time working with the team. And yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
आपसे ये है कि अभी आलिया जी को आपने इंडोर्स किया और उसके पहले ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं और उसके पहले भी आपके दीपिका पादुकोण, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और जॉन इब्राहिम थे आपके, तो इन चारों को लेकर के आप क्या कभी कुछ इंडोर्स करना चाहेंगे एक साथ में?
एक तो हमने आलिया भट्ट को इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, आलिया भट्ट ने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स किया है. But I understand the spirit of your question. We have multiple brand ambassadors for the different categories that we have. John and Sushant clearly advertise for the men's range and they endorse that. Deepika does skin care. Alia was doing skin cleansers. Now Alia will do Fructis. We are very happy with all four of them and all of them get their individualities in it. Getting all four of them is a great idea. I have to think of a product which, you know, all men and women and all four of them can come on the stage together. But it's a good idea. We'll keep it in mind.
Question is for Alia. Like, since this new line of products has 3 nutrients, hence the name Triple Nutrition, what is your personal favorite 3 elements in your hair care regime?
My personal favorite 3 elements in my hair care regime. See, as I said, because at least in my life, because I'm either we're traveling or shooting or something like that, so you have to keep your hair clean, you have to keep it healthy. So, first things comes to you have to know, you have to wash your hair regularly. You can't go 4 days without washing your hair, you know. So I do wash my hair every alternate day, sometimes every day. So that's the first thing, cleansing. Secondly, you know, everybody takes like vitamins for their skin and for their, you know, for their personal care. You also have vitamins for your hair. So there is a vitamins that I take, the skin, hair and nails. So that also helps. And last but definitely not the least, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. It gives you all the nutrition you need for your hair. So that is probably the top most point in my personal.
बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी फन, इंटरटेनिंग, बबली और नॉटी के नाम से जानी जाती है.
नॉटी?
हाँ. तो हमसे ऐसा माना जाता है बॉलीवुड में. तो हम
मुझे किसी ने अच्छा एनीवे
तो हम ऐसा माने कि ये गार्नियर का कमाल है या गार्नियर से रिलेट है, इसलिए आप ऐसा
कि मैं नॉटी हूँ.
हाँ, तो मतलब ये गार्नियर का कमाल है, ऐसा माने.
देखो, when you say naughty, I think बालों में knots.
जी.
तो गार्नियर फ्रूटिस का कमाल है वो knots निकालना. तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि मैं naughty हूँ Garnier Fructis की वजह से. But anyways, I don't think I'm naughty. I may be a little naughty, but everybody has to be naughty.
इंडस्ट्री में किसके बाल आपको काफी अच्छे लगते हैं, पुरुषों में भी और महिलाओं में भी?
किसके बाल मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं? I think सोनम कपूर, beautiful hair.
And पुरुषों में?
पुरुषों, पर उनके ज्यादा बाल नहीं होते तो.
अरे होते हैं.
सबका who has the longest hair at the moment? I think Ranveer Singh had very nice long hair in Ramleela. अभी I think छोटे हो गए, but my dad बहुत अच्छे बाल हैं उनके, smooth और silky and not naughty.